Got some cheese wonton, egg roll, got some shrimp, some sesame chicken, and some lo mein.
This is like neglection. What is she watching? It's like, okay, so the mom has sat there and was like, because there's a little girl and then there's a big girl, and she was like, you can get whatever you want, Ellie. And
The lo mein tastes
they
really
got her
good.
like a tablet and stuff, and the little girl's like, can I have something? And she's like, no, go grocery shopping.
Shrimp is really good too.
Oh, it's because it's called the hate child. And the girl it's called the hate child. And the little girl gets most of the stuff.
Oh, that's good.
And the big girl,
Let's try the sesame chicken.
she's only going to grocery for the mom. You go grocery shopping.
That's good. What are you laughing at?
I don't know. The face she put.
Oh.
She was so
I'm gonna try the egg roll.
Whoa.
Mmm.
Warm.
Mmm.
And what's that?
So good. Mmm.
Oh, what is this type of egg roll?
It has vegetables and egg in it.
I broke it.
It's really, actually tastes really good. Alright, let's try another cheese wonton. Mmm. Yo, these people stepped up their game. The food from here, probably from all Chinese restaurants I've ate, hands down, the bomb.
Little girl. I see you. Oh, that service was Sprite, Haley. A service was Sprite. Dang. This guy's father's here when we got over here. It's all the same balls for.
So good.
And then my mom was like, who is that? She was like, I'll stick with Nick's. You know, who is that?
Hmm.
Or am I? I'm not really thinking of them, but I grew up with all of them. I'm not gonna.
It's so crunchy.
Come on. I'm not like with my pants on. Yeah. I would die if Ricky came over the day you were wearing those. Why? Because they're his. Ew! I'm taking these off. Not Ricardo. Oh. One of the like the children. Pretty Ricky. Oh my god. Ricky is so fine. These are mine. He's like supposedly part of the family, but oh my god, is Ricky fine. Is very He's cute. One of the older kids, and those are his pants. Look, I have this Ricky. I got him from Olivia because Olivia's his girlfriend. The skinny one at the. Yes, you know him, Mama. You're mine now. Pretty Ricky should come over. You like his sweatpants? That's like the only white boy I've ever seen who would be like, oh, he's pretty, so we definitely need to get him right? Over here. Ew, forget the age. Forget the age. He's gonna catch a case. Autumn tried to get him to catch a case, and I'm loyal.
No, you ain't.
Who's exposing us?
You call him off who wouldn't have a boyfriend? What is wrong with you?
Bro, he's an adult. He's an adult.
Well, I look like I care.
Shut your big Fortnite.
Such a big mouth up.
Florida watermelon.
Don't worry, I have a big mouth too. Now I can fit this whole entire thing in my eye.
This is funny. I love messing around with Lucy.
Mm-hmm.
This is shrimp, Mom?
Yeah,
Try it.
It's really good.
it's good.
There's no more of the shrimp. I got the last piece. Daily dice roll.
Mm.
You ready? That's one of the daily dice rolls. You want to see our daily dice roll? Right there, all the way back. Set. Look.
Do it again.
Oh, no. Ew. Why do my eyes look so red? Give me some. I want to try some of that.
It's good.
These are different from the ones we used to eat.
Yeah, those are like wontons.
Those are like bigger. These are bigger. Remember the other ones?
It's
used to be
different.
skinnier?
Because those are noodles, these are like wontons.
But like, they're bigger. The other ones used to be skinnier.
Wontons and no one told me.
They're right there.
Oh my god, those are like my favorite things in the world.
I'm gonna get some.
Remember last time
I just eat it,
I ate everything but the
like that.
but you actually enjoy it.
What? They're not bad. Yummy loves these two sheets like 16.
I ate everything but the inside last time.
Why?
Remember when you gave it to me?
Why'd you not eat the inside? It's the best part.
Is this the same place where Sky and Rachel went to get Chinese food last time?
Right? Is it?
Where was it?
It's over there by the Flying J.
Right in front of Flying J. Isn't it near Checkers?
They go to a different one. They go to
It's right
it's
next
not
to
the
Waffle
Flying
House.
J's.
It's right next to Waffle House. What? Are you all making fun of me just because the way I say it?
What are you talking about?
I just told mom I'm going to go to Crowd because I'm going to go for cheese wontons and I can get unlimited of those and I want sushi. Like so bad.
At the buffet?
Go to Corral.
Chowking.
Chowking. I've
Yes.
not been there in forever.
No.
Oh yeah, that's my Chowking, not Golden Corral. What am I thinking?
She said Golden Corral. Was like Golden Corral sushi?
I have not been to Golden Corral.
What?
The last time you went.
What is it?
Wonton sticks or whatever?
Wonton sticks.
It's so good. Because they're crispy. This meal has made me so happy. Like, it was so good. Everything was so fucking good. Like,
Oh.
yes.
It was effing good. It was not even. It was better than good.
Yo, these people stepped up their game because last time when we were at Widow's house, that I went to go get Chinese food for everybody, I went to this place one time, and it was, but let me tell you, today,
It's really good today.
it was so delicious. No complaints. Well, actually, yeah, I do have one complaint. I ordered 2 meals, and they were supposed to give me one with fried rice and the other one with the lo mein, and they gave me both with lo mein, and I'm like, no, I wanted to eat my sweet and sour chicken with the damn rice. Ooh, excuse me.
Oh, girl.
But yeah, anyways,
Say rice is better.
that's the only complaint I have. But food-wise, the taste and all that, that's, oof.
It was actually really good. I'm surprised. I'm not a big fan of Chinese food, but this right here was real good.
So good. That shrimp was so good. Like, I want to try the General Tso's chicken. Ooh! Nobody saw it.
I did.
Alright guys, I'm done. Comment down below. What's your favorite place? Not place. What's your favorite thing to eat from the Chinese place? Mine's with this meal would have to be the shrimp, the lo mein, and the cheese wontons, and the egg roll, and the sesame chicken. Yeah, so basically everything I just ate was my favorite. Peace.